Hello. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration of the ETS, the Environmental Tracking System from Carbon Monitoring. In the previous demonstration I showed you how to get started, to create an account and get signed in for the first time. In that demo I set up a few sample types using the provided templates. In this demonstration I will show you how you can edit those sample types to meet your requirements. Okay, let's get signed in using the same username and password as before. And as you can see, the first page that comes up is the dashboard. This is looking pretty empty because we haven't loaded any data yet, but off the menu you can see the sample types that we set up previously. Again, it's empty, no data has been uploaded as yet. But you'll notice that there is a button here called Config, which is visible because I'm a system administrator, and I'm just going to click on there. There is another way of getting into this page, by the way. You can go to the admin menu and sample types, and you'll want to do this if you wanted to create a new sample type, but right now we're just going to edit an existing one. Okay, at the top of the page we have some help. That's a common feature in the ETS, but we're going to hide that so that we have a little bit more real estate. And the next section is the header information for this particular sample type. And the first item is the sample type group, and that really dictates which menu this sample type will live under. The next thing is the sample type name, and that's what's going to appear on the menu up here. And the next option I'm going to show you is the map pin. I'm going to select round blue, and it's that pin that's going to appear on the map when we plot the sample sites. Okay, now we get into the main section, and here we can tell the ETS which columns make up our data and what order they appear in. We can add new columns using this button. We can change the order that they're displayed using these arrows over here, and we can edit a column by clicking on this icon here. We're going to edit the column EC. Now EC stands for electrical conductivity, but not everybody's going to know that, so I'm going to change it on the column name and also on the summary page, the detail page, the graph. But actually on the import I'm going to change it because I know that it comes in as just EC without any units, and on the export you can just type straight into the field, by the way, but if you just turn that checkbox off and turn it back on again, then it just appears in automatically. Ooh, missed the bracket. Okay, and you can also add notes into here. And now we're going to save that. And it's been changed, it's been updated on our sample type definition. We're going to see if it affects the sample screens now. Okay, to see that change in action, I'm going to click on the new sample button. I'll just accept the default date, and let's just put some values in here. You'll see that the column name now says electrical conductivity. 231. When we hit the save button, it takes us back to the summary page, and again you can see that the column's been changed. You can also turn off, by the way, that if you want those columns not to appear on any of those pages. And that really just concludes this demonstration. Thanks for watching. I'll cover more advanced topics about editing sample types in a subsequent demo. Thanks for watching.